Baked barbecue turkey wings. Cook time 90 minutes. You want to see how to make these? Keep watching. They are delicious. They're moist on the inside, crispy on the outside, seasoned to perfection, and they go perfect with just about any side. A different change up from your traditional. Most people stew or smother their turkey wings. My husband won't eat them that way, so definitely check this video out. Here are the ingredients for baked barbecue turkey wings. Now I've got my baking sheet. I've got it lined with foil and have the rack on there. I've got my turkey wings I've washed with white vinegar and water and rinsed them really well and patted them dry. Well, I'm trying to get them dry. And I'm going to be using Famous Dave's rub for this. Some extra garlic powder, some extra onion powder. I'm not going to add any additional seasoning because the rub has sugar and salt and a bunch of other spices in there. And I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's. Use whatever favorite barbecue sauce you like. And I've got olive oil here. I'm going to go ahead and get these seasoned. I want them to sit in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours. You guys know that I've been here before. Welcome back. I like to season my meat 24 hours ahead of time, but I didn't have time today. So I'm going to get everything set up. Let's get cooking. First, I'm going to go ahead and coat these with a little bit of olive oil. Not much. Just want to make sure my herbs and spices stick, and this will help with crisping them up in the oven. And I'm going to liberally season because these turkey pieces are quite big, and I want to make sure they're full of flavor since I wasn't able to do my 24-hour overnight seasoning. This is the garlic powder. I mean, the onion powder. I started with the garlic powder. Then I'm using my Famous Dave's rub that my mother turned me on to. Famous Dave's is a restaurant we have here in Michigan. They're probably everywhere, but I know we have them in Michigan. They sell ribs and salmon and stuff like that. Just want to make sure I'll probably put more seasoning on here right before I put them in the oven. Just want to make sure they're heavily coated for maximum flavor. Okay, I'm going to cover these with some plastic wrap, put them in the fridge, and come back in about 4 hours and set my oven at 375 degrees and show you how to cook these so they're nice and juicy on the inside but crispy on the outside. Okay, step 2, remove the turkey wings from the refrigerator and let them sit on the counter for 30 minutes. That's supposedly best according to the chefs. It keeps the meat from seizing up your protein that's been in the refrigerator. I'm going to put these on my lined baking sheet and I'm putting them fat side down. I'm going to cover these with foil and put them in a 350 degree oven. This is step 2 for 30 minutes. I'm going to get another piece of foil to make sure this is covered because I want these juicy on the inside but nice and crispy on the outside. And this Famous Dave rub is sweet, smoky, and savory. Okay, still step 3. It's been 30 minutes in the oven. 350 degrees covered. So now I'm going to take them and turn them over. We're going to cook them for another 30 minutes covered at 350 degrees. Remember, this technique makes them tender and juicy on the inside and crispy on the outside. So this is still step 3. Going back in the oven for another 30 minutes covered. Step 4, remove from the oven. It's been 1 hour of cooking time. Now I'm going to add the sauce. Use whatever kind of barbecue sauce you like. I'm going to use some Sweet Baby Ray's. I'm going to flip these over and sauce the underside first. Whoops. Jesus. scraping off all the seasoning. Try not to do that. Okay, step 4, I'm going to put these back in the oven, but I'm going to move the oven rack up to the highest that it will go, and I'm going to put the temperature to 400 degrees for 30 minutes. There you have it. After 30 minutes at 400 degrees on the top rack, the temperature is reading 170 degrees by thermostat. You need at least 160 to 165 for turkey. So let me get these out of the oven, get everything set up, and tell you guys my joke. A priest and a pastor are standing on the side of the road. They're holding a sign that reads, "The end is near. Turn around now before it's too late." A passing driver yells, "You guys are nuts," and speeds past them. From around the corner, they can hear screeching tires, then a big splash. The priest turns to the pastor and says, "Do you think we should have put up a sign that says bridges out?" I thought that was cute. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. I don't know how you found me, but I'm so happy you're here. Channel for quick, fast, easy meals. I want to get people back cooking who that way you can serve home cooked meals instead of a lot of fast food, because I despise cooking. But I love to eat and I like flavorful foods. This different way to cook turkey wings. I baked them in the oven, like I said, 90 minutes cooking time. And you want to definitely check the temperature and make sure that they are done at 160 to 165 degrees. Next time I'm going to cook them, I'm going to smother them. My husband does not like turkey unless it's the breast or the white meat only, with dressing and macaroni and cheese and stuff like that on the side. So won't be cooking any more turkey wings no time soon, especially not for him. But anyway, love you guys. Have a good evening. I hope to see you on the next one. And God bless.